Hello, everyone. This is Jingwei Power Supply. Now demonstrate the use of EC24S15EB equalizer. The first is the preparation work. First assemble the clip wire with the terminal in order, and then connect the combined clip wire with the battery pack in order, and the DC adapter should also be connected to the terminal. You can see the silk screen below the connector of the equalizer. Insert the terminal with clip cable into the equalizer according to the silk screen. I insert the terminals in sequence from B0 to B24. The equalizer supports random power on sequence, so there is no requirement on the power on sequence. Finally, insert the power terminal. This completes the connection between the equalizer and the battery pack. After the power is turned on, let's see how to connect with the APP. The left side of the screen is the picture of the APP. The right side is the picture of the equalizer. Mainly observe the indicator light on the equalizer. When you open the APP and connect the device for the first time, the system will directly jump to the Bluetooth search interface. If the device cannot be detected, please check whether the Bluetooth and location functions of the mobile phone are enabled. Now we connect this equalizer. After the connection is successful, you can view the device status. After successful power on, the green power indicator is steady on, and the blue Bluetooth indicator is blinking. Now the device is connected successfully. The blue Bluetooth indicator is steady on. Turn on the balance switch. When the yellow indicator blinks, it indicates that the balance is being balanced. If the balance is complete, the yellow indicator is steady on. You can modify the parameters on the balance setting page. You need to enter the password for the first time. The initial password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In particular, all parameters need to click the green setting button to take effect after modification. Now click the alarm screen. When an exception occurs, you can view which battery is faulty. Next, show how to change the device name and change the password. Click the System Settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. In System Settings, you can change the language, device name, and password. Click the Bluetooth symbol to view the device information. To turn off the balance, click the balance switch button and then click the device list to disconnect the device. Next, demonstrate the situation where the device is incorrectly connected to the battery pack. Now I switch the lines of B22 and B24 at this time. The red fault indicator of the equalizer is steady on, indicating that the number of battery cells is inconsistent with the setting. If the red indicator blinks, it indicates that the resistance of the equalizer line is too large. Please refer to. First, open the APP and connect the device. The device status bar displays the number of units does not match the setting. When there is an error, the balance switch cannot be turned on. And you can see that the cell voltage from B22 to B24. The default app is 24-string battery pack. If the battery pack is not 24-string, it will report an error. At this time, you can modify the parameters to the balance setting. The battery pack used here is 24-string ternary battery. So, we do not need to modify the parameters and directly go to the alarm interface. At this time, we can see B22, B23 and B24 and the alarm information is detection failure. The other alarms are normal. So we can determine that B22 to B24 batteries are incorrectly connected. At this time, click the device list to disconnect. Check whether the corresponding battery string connection is normal, and then power on.